Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having, wait, what are we having? Because I'm me cook it in.
Today we having cabbage and saltfish, aka bacalao. You know, saltfish for the Spanish people is bacalao. Okay, and this was requested by Shorneth Sims. But listen, I don't mess with the bok chow like that. First days she cooked it before, and I ate it, but I don't remember it. So I had to substitute with the cabbage, okay? But we gave you a saltfish, but I just substitute the cabbage, okay? So big up yourself. Bless up. How do you think it tastes?
So good. Now listen, I don't know, what were you talking about? When I used to make steamed fish, because Richie took over making steamed fish, now his steamed fish is unbelievable.
I don't remember that shit.
I would make steamed fish one day, and I used to cut up bok choy and put it in there, and he used to tear it up.
I don't remember now. Seriously.
It's very good. It has a sweet taste to it.
I don't remember. I ain't gonna care if I say I remember. I know I eat a fish.
So is saltfish in here, honey?
Yeah, saltfish is in here.
Cabbage.
And the cabbage replaced at the bok chow.
And then we have dumpling banana.
Dumpling banana.
Yam.
Yam.
Potato.
White yam.
Ah.
And yellow yam.
Oh.
Show them yellow one this one.
Well, this is yellow yam.
And then we have the thing. Cause yesterday first day tell me about I need to have salad. So this is my salad, the plantain.
And what was I gonna say? AKA dumpling bananas, AKA food. This is good.
Damn, all this the meat in the pot. You give me a little bit of piece of meat, man. My
You want
gosh,
to share out your stuff next time?
I'm gonna start sharing for myself for real, yo. All that meat in there, you give me no meat in the plate, yo.
Please. Gave you so much meat, it was none left.
Where?
Love meat.
Damn, man. I gotta go get some more meat. How does it taste though? Tastes good?
A beer meat you want. It tastes really good.
Bam.
I love the seasoning.
I had to make first aid food. We're done.
I was hungry. I was hungry, guys.
Wow.
You guys know I love me some yellow yam.
And I pick out a nice one, you know? Nice and dry. Let me show you a piece of yellow yam for me. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna give you some weight.
It's so good.
I just want to show you.
What that? What's that noise? It stopped?
It's still recording.
Oh. I didn't know the guys this camera be acting up.
That's the yellow yam right there, family. You know? It's called yellow yam because it look yellow.
You made this with coconut oil? One thing about coconut oil, you can't miss it. It's very good for you.
Wow. Flavorful. Wow. How y'all people doing today? Family. If you want us to make something, and you access, and if we don't eat it, give us a different thing that you want us to make, because certain stuff we don't really eat. You know what I'm saying?
And it's not too many things.
It's not a lot of stuff we don't eat, but you know. But if y'all want to make a request and say do that, we do that. But we have to like it, family, because we're not gonna come down here and cook something and we don't want to eat it. You know?
Cause trust me,
we ain't gonna like it, and you're gonna see there's gonna be a difference. You're like, nah, they don't like that shit. But this right here. So comment down if you want us to eat something, and then we'll respond and see if we eat that or not. Okay. Find them shoes, right?
So simple.
Easy. Light work.
So inexpensive. But very fulfilling.
I made dumpling good to you. I'm not a good dumpling maker, family, but
you didn't put no caramel in there this time.
Caramel here?
Yeah. A little bit.
Okay, family. So see the difference right here with the white yam now. Show you a little piece. Remember I showed you the yellow? This is the white. Take a bite. There you go. That's the white one. Hot.
Hot like fire.
Tom, I need some more meat, yo. I gotta get some more meat.
You get some more meat?
Yeah, I ain't got enough.
He'll be back, family.
We're closed now. I need some more meat. Let me get my trust in my.
I gave him so much sawfish. So what you guys been up to? I haven't chit chat with you in a while by myself because he's always here. Richie. Oh, he's coming. This food is so good.
Stop. Ask if you want anything. Make sure you mess with my food, you know. You know, you love sneaker food, and the family won't tell me if you take my food and my.
First of all, I don't have to sneak.
You don't want none of this, right? Okay. There we go. Thank you very much. I made sure for a reason. I put 2 bags of sawfish in here because I know you're gonna short the food.
You know I'm gonna.
Not give me enough meat. That's why I put 2 bags of sawfish in there. Family, I put 2 bags of the sawfish. Cause I love me some sawfish.
And I wanna eat too next time. Sawfish and butter bean. Remember when my auntie Rosie made this?
I was gonna make that today too, but I said I have to do the family members video. Sorry.
You right?
That's what I was gonna make, but I said, you know what?
Got a napkin, honey?
That's what I was gonna do.
There's so much stuff that you can make with sawfish. Sawfish with butter bean. Even sawfish with the Bush's baked bean.
That was on my mind too, but I said, nah, I'm gonna do this one. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so sawfish with Bush's baked bean, like the vegetarian one or the pork one, whichever one you like, banging. One thing about people from the island, I don't know about other countries, people from the island, they don't waste food. They know how to make every single thing count. Everything stretch.
So Charneth, if I say it right, you know I can't pronounce the name, but I hope you like it. Charneth, because you've been asking. We got it. No? I'll do the substitute. It tastes good though.
It tastes damn good.
Bad man.
The bok choy, it has a sweet flavor to it.
Yeah.
It's really good. I really do love bok choy, especially with steamed fish.
I don't remember you putting that in the steamed fish, I swear.
Because as soon as you put it, whatever you put it in, it just absorbs it.
I don't know. Now I gotta pay attention. I just name women I know. I gotta pay attention now, but. So it's in a cabbage family, you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Or it's a Chinese cabbage. It's a bok choy. A bok choy.
I said, family, I'm gonna put 2 bags, not 1, 2.
The family don't want to hear that story no more. You already said it already.
I tell them because I know you're gonna do that. Here, take piece of dumpling. Yeah. Take piece of dumpling. There you go. I missed my coconut one.
Yeah.
I didn't want to stop.
I got 2 containers of them.
I was about to use the whole bottle.
I was at work, and I was like, honey, what did you cook? And he was like, you see when you get home. Man, I couldn't wait. I was thinking about this food all day. I eat nothing. But I usually don't eat anything anyway. If I'm going to do a mukbang that day.
Yeah.
But sometimes I eat some fruits. But today, I was so busy at work, I had no chance to even eat anything. But it's alright.
I know you love the RC video.
Oh man, oh man.
Come on now. Appreciate that.
There's none left. It's all gone.
None left. Today, when we reach home today, I said, Daddy, I ain't gonna lie. There's no more RFC. I said, no, it's done. She said, why? I said, because y'all finished. She said, man, it was so good. I said, when I fried chicken, enough for none of it. But now y'all talk about it, a little piece of chicken we fried. You see that, family? When I fry a little bit of chicken, they say they want more. When I fry a lot, they don't want it. What you talking about? She said, there's none left. I said, there's none.
That fried chicken was delicious. With the mine was it mashed potato?
She love mashed potato.
And that gravy?
Yeah.
Fire.
Busting. She took a while. I didn't do ours even a minute.
Yeah. That is true.
But it was back though, you know? Yep. Wow.
One thing about saltfish, aka bacalao, you gotta be careful because it's already salty already. So it's very easy to over season the bacalao and make it too salty. It's very easy. So this is the time where you definitely want to taste your food as you go.
Yep. You know I put no salt? Okay, you don't need salt.
No salt. And plus, the seasoning that you put on there, it has salt.
The Everglades, baby! Everglades be hitting. But yeah, I boil it. 2 times I boil it, huh? You full?
Almost. Let me tell you one thing. Very good.
Good?
Very, very good. No lying. And I love the cabbage because
I'm not a cabbage person either, like that too.
that's what I'm saying. But it's like it just marinates with it.
Blend.
It blends in. It's not. It doesn't feel like it doesn't belong. You know what I mean?
That's good. Get them up, I like them.
You know how come it's a good piece of yam, man.
Nice piece, man. You. And I pick up the yam, them 2 girls watch me and say, damn, this guy know yam. Family, I'm sure how you do when you go to the grocery store, you pick out yam.
Usually men know how to pick out yam too, for real.
I went there, you know, sometimes you ask them to cut it, they don't want to cut it, so you gotta do? Scratch it. If it's scratching the yam and it don't change color, that means it's good. But if you scratch it and it change color, it's not gonna be a good piece.
Or if you scratch it and it looks watery. Yeah.
So when I pick out the yam, I'm looking at yam like this, they looking like, yeah, he knows yam. Like they want to say, could you pick up piece for me too? Take my yam and go. Because they look like they want to pick up yam. I said, I gotta go.
When I go to the store, if I'm picking out yam and it's a guy there, I usually ask him to pick out yam for me. I bet, can you pick me out a yam? Yep.
You never tell me that before. Now you tell me that if I never bring up the yam story now, family, you wouldn't tell me that now? You see?
And they pick out the yam and they pick it out good. Men pick out yam good.
Yeah. They're gonna pick it out, of course, you're a woman.
That's right.
Anything a woman say they're gonna do, even if they don't know about a yam, they're gonna pick it out. And
Well,
take a guess.
I have no guess.
So every time you go to the store, a man pick out yam for you?
Not every time. I said sometimes.
Family, you see? You see that? If I never bring that up now, should I never tell me now? But okay,
oh, please.
You're not buying no more yam in here. Make sure you don't buy no more yam. I'm telling you that right now. Family, she better not buy no more yam in here. Any she buy no yam, I'm throwing it in the garbage.
Oh, please.
Yeah? If I'm buying yam, I'm gonna buy it. Don't ever come back here with no yam again.
Oh my gosh. Whatever.
See, family? Alright.
They pick out good yams.
Same thing the girl said too. Cause she said she asking for pizza, I pick out yam too.
That's what I'm saying.
He said, man, you pick out a good one. I said, yeah, I know yam. Come on, my wife love yam.
Pick out good yam, man. I can't knock it. I want a piece of yam.
This was.
See, now you have all that meat and no food.
So what I'm gonna do with the meat? Don't worry about my what all that meat. Make sure you yam your food. Watch me. All that meat and no food, huh?
Can you have a piece of plantain, baby?
Oh, no. The plantain, I say there's no vegetable. So family, now if you want a good yam, a good banana, make the man pick it out, cause they know. The first lady said.
The plantain, because it's so sweet, listen, it's a very good combination. The plantain with the saltfish, so it's like sweet and salty. It's a very good combination. My bad.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna keep it in there.
You just sit there. You got. Do you in here? There? Your birth not say excuse me. I can't excuse me.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. You love the fuckeries.
I bet you leave that blood that night.
You love one, give me mad chip to fucking edit. Yeah.
Love it. Family, what I did wrong? I said, excuse me. What do you want me to say? Family, we just gotta laugh. Me and First laughing at something that we laugh about all the time. That was delicious, family. I ain't gonna cap. Charneth, there you go. We got you. We did it for you. Okay? Let me give y'all ladies, y'all beautiful people, the word of wisdom, you know? You know what I'm saying? Have a good, have a good time.
I can't stop eating it, but I have to.
All right, family. First lady, listen. Everybody, listen. If y'all walk away, come back right now. Okay? All right. All right. Those who are the happiest never did have everything, but rather they are thankful for everything they do have.
That's true. That is very true.
Okay, if y'all can relate, relate. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying again. Those who are the happiest never did have everything, but rather they are thankful for everything they do have.
Yep.
Real talk. They said, some people say, money don't make you happy, and whatever, and some people say, you know what I'm saying? But it's true. You know, if you're not happy, you're not happy. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you ain't happy. Sometimes I'm not happy. Right? But we
you always happy. You always happy. You see your wife. Oh.
Cool, I got it.
No, I was.
Nah, yo, move now. Don't look. Okay, but real talk, family. We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, we are. You know we already. First thing gonna tell you. When you come to this channel, we just talk about anything. We just have a conversation and do be a craziness. You know what I'm saying? We just do our thing, but positive vibes. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. If you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.
Imagine you have pop out my titty.
You know, you never edit.
We can't even take it out.
You never edit.